we have another inflected endings packet, but this week we are going to be adding the endings of ER, ED, ES, and EST. So when we do that, a lot of these are words that are going to end in Y, and you have to drop the Y and add the IED, IES, and all of those. So they are used to create new verbs and tenses, and a lot of these are added to an adjective to create a comparative of superlative form, which means when we go through our words, they are comparing words. So, like the most of something, the least of something. That's what we're looking at. So, first word is easily, marries, emptier, worried, silliest, varied, families, carries, funnier, replied, jumpier, pennies, merrier, applied, cozily, sorriest, prettily, lazier, happiest, dizziest. So when, like I said, all of these words, their root word, they end in a Y, and so we had to drop the Y and add either ILY or add IES, IER, or IED, and then IEST. So the Y turns into an I, and then you would add the new ending. So for these, I'm going to go kind of through some of them. Marries, this is like when two people get married, so a marriage. But this merrier with the E, that means like happy. The word varied means a different type of each. So if my shoe collection is varied, that means there's all different types of them. The word maybe cozily, if you're cozy, like you're cozy in a blanket, you're nice and warm and comfortable. The word, let's see, is another one that we might not know. Applied, like if you apply for a job or you apply yourself, that means you put in information to get out a income, or an outcome. So for the spelling packet, we have some that you drop the Y and add IES, drop the Y and add ILY, drop the Y and add IER, drop the Y and add IEST, or drop the Y and add IED. So just look at your ending and see what kind of ending and where they go. For A, you are going to put the word in that goes with this groups of words. So meets, dates, and then it would be marries. So if people meet, then they date, and then they get married. So just a word that goes with the group of words, and then these are matching them to the definition. You will also find the 6 words that are misspelled, write them correctly, and then it says write to describe your best friend, use at least 4 words from your spelling packet. So you will describe your best friend here. Remember, we are having at least 4 sentences. There's a lot of space here, so you guys should be putting lots of details in it. Remember, all your spelling packets are due by Friday.